Hello. Ito bibigyan ko kayo ng chord ng pinakakaganda ng kanta ng Love Will Keep Us Alive. Ito po, una-una, A. 5 in, ay 4 in 3. Tapos, ganyan. Ano itong tawag? F. 6 in 3. Ang sunod na po, A. Ang sunod po, D. Tapos, B flat. Yan, A. Dito siya mag-intro. I was standing all along against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you're giving me the words to find. We were hungry, love will keep us alive. Yun lang po. Don't you worry, sometimes you'll never understand. We'll be changing right before your eyes. Now I found you, there's no longer anything behind. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. I will die for you. Climb the highest mountain. Baby, there's nothing I would do. Huwag nyo ng chord. Yan lang po. Tapos po yung patting string, 5, 3, 1, 2. Oh, yun. 5, 3, 1, 2. 5, 3, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye. Diyan na po. Alam nyo na.